Hi angels, and welcome back to another DIY. So in this video we are going to be making a reflective dress. This has been popular all over social media, so I was like, why not make my own? So my idea for this dress was to just use a black thing top dress or tube dress, whatever you want to call it, but I couldn't find any in my closet, so I actually end up using this deep v-neck slip dress. Usually people wear it underneath their clothes, but I was like, this probably could work. So what you're gonna need is a dress or a skirt, or you can use a swimsuit, whatever you want to do. You need some scissors and some reflective tape. So I should have gotten a reflective fabric instead of the tape, because it would have just made it so much easier. It would have been done in like 2 seconds, but I wasn't really paying attention. I ordered the tape at midnight, so I was like kind of sleepy, so I wasn't really like looking around to see what they had on the website until like the next day. So yeah. Oh, are you also gonna need your E60 glue? The hot glue gun will not work on this, just letting you know right now. So you have to use the E60 glue and leave it overnight for it to dry. That's the best. That's the only way that it will work. So what I'm doing is just cutting up a strip of tape, reflective tape. I just cut off one piece and then match up the same piece on top of the other, on top of the other, on top of the other, so that I can fill out the whole bottom part of the dress. So all I'm going to do is the side that is not going to reflect, like when I take a picture of it or shine a flashlight on it, that side that doesn't light up or anything, that's the side that I'm actually going to be using the E60 glue on. So right now I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to do the top, how I'm going to do the bottom. I was thinking about cutting up some little pieces and then just tape it like straight across. But I was like, why not just do it straight down the middle and then just match it up side by side so that it can just look like one exact fabric. So, oh, another thing, you have to do it on some kind of mannequin or something like that, because then the tape will start to open up, like it's not going to lay down flat. So you have to be doing it on a mannequin. So now I'm just adding on the E60 glue and just adding it onto the dress, just like that. Quick and easy. Oh, we also have to push down on it just so that the glue can get to both sides. Yeah, just push down, push down, push down. This is how it looks when I dim the lights and turn on my flashlight. I was just making sure that I was doing it properly, not messing up or anything. And also the glue started to come on top of the reflective part of the tape, so it kind of do like a black thingy. So I would suggest just using some hand sanitizer or some soap and water to remove it, so that you can have that clean look to it. But I don't think I did that in the end. I think I just left it. I was tired. Yeah. So now I'm just gluing. Just gluing it on. And then when I'm finished gluing, I'm gonna be leaving it overnight for it to dry. In the end, when I try on the dress, you guys are gonna see that one side of it start lifting up, and that is because I did one side and then the next day I did the other side, but then I didn't leave the other side for it to dry. Like I left it for like a few minutes and then put it on, and that was it. It just messed up the whole dress. Some part of it was dry, some part wasn't, and then when I tried to like remove the tape off of it, then that's when some of the fabric started coming off. Like it started tearing the fabric. So this is how it looks with the flashlight. It's cute. So I really suggest just leaving it. Don't bother it or anything. Just leaving it overnight for it to dry. Because if you mess with it, one side is going to look perfect, the other side is just going to look a complete hot mess. You're going to see what I mean at the end of this video. So yeah, just keep on repeating my steps over and over again until it's perfect. You have to glue these really close together so that you don't see the lines, so that it does look like one complete fabric. So just glue it on top of each other. A little bit on top, not all the way, just a little glimpse on top. And be careful when you press down the glue, because the glue will make it like if there's something on top of it. So yeah, that's basically it. So I'm just gonna be rambling on and on and on. So yeah, I'm not gonna be adding any music, so let's just enjoy this nice peace and quiet, since all of my music keep on getting reported for copyright. So play any music that you want to play. This is the end of the video. Not really the end, but almost the end of the video. I'm just showing you guys how I'm just doing it. On to the next side. Oh, another thing, I'm gonna be pasting. I'm gonna be gluing a strip of the tape straight across. I should have waited till the last minute, like until I finish the bottom part, and then just putting it straight across so you don't see the strip of tape. But I don't know what I was thinking. I did it like right in the middle of it, so it does kind of mess it up. But yeah, this is how it looks without the flashlight, without the light, and this is how it looks. I paired it with this nice thigh-high boots. So this is what I was talking about. Like one side looked good, the other side did not look good, and that's the side that did not dry, but they didn't dry fully, but some part of it dried. So that's why it just, I didn't feel like fixing it. So hope you guys like this video. See you in my next one. Bye.